Hey Responsive Ninjas, we'll take a look at how to install Responsive Pro today. So to install that, I have my WordPress installation ready, and let's log into my account to access the download file. So in API download, you can see the plugin zip. This is downloaded from here. Once you are ready, go to your WordPress admin, plugins, add new. Upload the zip and click on install now. Activate. Now this zip provides option to install the responsive theme and the Ready Site Importer plugin as well. So to do that, click on install and activate now. And once the installation is complete, you can see Responsive Pro and Responsive Ready Site Importer plugin in plugins list here, and you can also check appearance theme, responsive theme here. This is the active theme, and that's all for now. Thank you.